In this section, we're going to talk about some of the advanced ways that you can use the book module besides just putting text in. In the resource section, we talked about book and creating a book for your syllabus or creating a book for information, typing information in. However, any of the items that are in the top part of the section, you can do inside your book. So there's a lot of ways that you can use your book to add clarity, to add some organization to your course. So we're going to talk a little bit about that in this video. One of the things that I would like to show you, if you remember back to the first module inside of Moodle, or inside of the Moodle Bootcamp, you noticed that there was video after video, and it was kind of long and lengthy, and it went through the different phases. I'm going to show you, using the book module, a little bit different way of being able to do that. So I'm going to type up here at the top, I'm going to type in our first video that we watched was Introduction to the Moodle Template. And I'm going to come down here and I'm going to type in that same introduction that we had before. The following video gives you an overview of the home page for our Moodle site and also the information on what needs to be used inside of our Moodle template. And I'm going to type the word introduction because we need to link to something. So I'm going to type introduction. I'm going to highlight the word introduction. I am going to form a link because that video was out on YouTube, so I'm going to form a link to be able to go and look at that video, and this will embed it right inside this book page. So I'm going to go and get the URL for this. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to put the URL for the video, and this is the introduction to the Moodle template. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on Insert. And I'm going to save changes. And when I save changes, it takes me back to the book page with my Moodle video embedded. I can click on this. I can go ahead and show that video just as if it were on the home page.
Hi.
Then I can go in and I'm going to add another page. So I'm going to click on, remember this is my table of contents. I'm going to click and I'm going to add another page to this book, and we can continue to add all of our all of our different videos into this one book. And so remember that when we did this before, it was a continuous page that went on and on and on. Now if I go back to my course here, my new course, I come down to the section that I've been working in as far as this is concerned. Now instead of a whole page of different videos, I click on my book. My book comes up. Let me go back and turn my editing off so it looks a little bit cleaner as you're looking at this. So let's go up here and I'm going to turn my editing off. So we're seeing what the student is going to see instead of the extra information. So I'm going to click on my book, which is my demonstration book. I now have chapters. So I have each one of my chapters. The video's here. I can view the video. I can enlarge it to full page if I so choose to do so. I click on my next page. Let's look at the same example, some examples. I have my same reading, all my information. Here's my embedded video. I can click on that embedded video, enlarge it to full screen, or look at it right here in the book. So instead of having to scroll through a whole page of videos, it's now set up in a book, so those books are one page after another.